morning everyone. So may nakita kami sa sidewalk ngayon. Hindi ko inaasahan guys. Titingnan natin tong nasa sidewalk ngayon guys. Ayan. At ito na, ito na guys oh. Hi guys. And I like this basket. It's very strong. Oh, there's a shoes. Oh, I like the shoes. Look at that. Oh, there's a jewelry. Do you want this? So shoes is very nice. I want it. Oh, it's cold. I like the plates here. Oh, shoes. Oh, I like this. Look at the plates, hon. Guys, very nice guys, oh. Wow, it's a Thanksgiving. Oh, organizer, honey. You can use this for the tools.
No, I don't need it.
Yeah. Guys, nakaano tayo? Hi guys, pasensyahin nyo na yung mukha ko guys ha. Kasi may pinuntahan lang kami ng asawa ko. Tapos nakita ko sa sidewalk yung yung free items. Sabi ko gusto ko yung basket. Kasi parang sobrang tibay ba ng basket. So pagtingin ko, oh maganda yung mga shoes. Yan guys, tayo guys, anong tawag nun? Yan, basura may mga magagandang basura na nakuha natin sa Amerika guys. Ayan. Yan, thank you for watching. Pasensya nyo na yung natin, wala tayong kilay kasi hindi natin inaasahan yung nakita natin guys. Ayan, bye bye. Thank you, God bless.